its power to improve all aspects of your life.
He knows he's making a difference. He's inspiring the people he works with, and we've given him a level of influence that he never thought possible before.
Incredibly high energy. Everyone was very engaged, and it's based on science.
With me here is Paul Krismer, the happiness expert.
Two brain cells are going to come together when there's some new stimulus.
We would recommend Paul to anybody.
Do you believe me that it can make you a lot happier?
I've had a life-changing experience.
Its power to improve all aspects of your life.
Paul's overall teaching style has just made such a difference.
Paul's energy is just electric.
Absolutely, I would recommend him.
He gave lots of really practical takeaway tips.
It was exactly what we needed, and he delivered it in a perfect way.